The Mini Cooper Heritage Edition is exactly what it sounds like, a celebration of where Mini came from. The original Mini hit the road in 1959 and quickly became one of Britain's most recognizable cars. Designed by Sir Alec Izagonis, it packed incredible space into a tiny footprint, handled like nothing else on the road, and became just as much a cultural icon as it was a practical car. More than 60 years later, that DNA is still at the core of every modern Mini. To celebrate 25 years of the modern Mini under BMW, the company created the Heritage Edition. It's built around the Cooper two-door and leans heavily into the brand's British roots. Those roots run deeper than just the badge. Every Heritage Edition is a reminder that Plant Oxford, the spiritual home of Mini, continues to build the cars where the story began. Outside, the Heritage Edition wears its inspiration proudly. A Union Jack stretches across the white roof, while a red and white center stripe runs from front to back, tying the entire design together. Buyers could choose between chili red or indigo sunset blue, paired with white mirror caps and an exclusive 18-inch slide-spoke two-tone wheel. Inside, the details continue. The steering wheel carries a subtle Union Jack graphic. The floor mats feature both the British flag and a checkered flag, and unique door sills mark 25 years of the modern Mini. It's not a performance edition or a technology showcase. Instead, the Heritage Edition is about celebrating the history, personality, and unmistakable character that made Mini an icon in the first place.